Miro versus Trello, which project management tool is better? Most people get this wrong, but Miro and Trello serve different project management needs. You won't believe how their approaches to collaboration and visualization differ. Trello is task-focused. It uses boards, lists, and cards to organize workflows. Each card can include checklists, due dates, attachments, and labels. Trello is lightweight, easy to use, and ideal for teams that need simple task tracking with minimal setup. Miro, on the other hand, is a visual collaboration platform. It offers infinite canvases where you can draw, diagram, brainstorm, and map workflows. Miro excels for creative planning, UX design, and collaborative strategy sessions. It allows sticky notes, flowcharts, and integrations with tools like Jira and Slack. If your team needs structured task management and clear deadlines, Trello is the better choice. If your team needs visual brainstorming, interactive workshops, and flexible diagrams, Miro shines. The surprising truth is that many companies try to use one tool for everything, which reduces efficiency. Using both for their strengths often yields the best results. In conclusion, choose Trello for task management and Miro for visual collaboration. Understanding the unique advantages of each ensures better productivity and smoother teamwork in 2025.